welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be doing a Chanel holiday beauty set unboxing for 2025. So here's the item that I've got, and first let's take a look at the packaging. So this year they came up with this festive packaging. As you guys can see, they have the CC logo in here, and I think it is surrounded with the camellia flowers. And then I think this is let me show you. I think those are lions right there all around it. And I really love the packaging this year. And then it came in, this one is made up of cardboard. So I really love this lovely packaging. It is so festive and it is perfect for the holiday. Anyway, let me show you what I've got. And this is the amplified gaze, and I am excited for this. So it is, wow, this beautiful holiday pouch for this year, and it's made up of this more of like a navy blue color. It seems that on the camera, it seems that it is it register as like lighter blue, but this one, it is in a darker side, and it has those I'm not really sure if they are silver, but it looks like in the camera it looks like they are shimmering right there. And then on the side, this one has the camellia flowers in it right here. Wow, this is stunning. Actually, let me show you the camellia flowers right here. Look at that. It's in gold color. Let me feel it. Yeah, it's actually made up of, it is made up of metal, I believe. Oh, I'm surprised. I was like looking at it and wow, I mean, I thought all along it's made up of plastic, but it has some weight to it, which is quite nice. So this is how it looks right here. It is stunning. Here, the zipper is obviously pretty smooth. I don't have any issues with this zipper, guys. With all of the pouches that they have, I don't have any issues with that. And this is the front. It's Chanel BEAUTE right here. And then I think last year they just added this word right here. I mean, it is a beauty pouch. So yeah, they added this one, the BEAUTE right here. And this is the side looks. Nothing much really. This is the bottom right here. And I also have here my pouch from last year. This one, this is how it looks from last year. I love this pouch, and probably I used this a handful of times, and I transformed this as a crossbody bag, as you guys could see right here. And this has the word BEAUTE as well, and I removed it. So if you're interested in how to remove the BEAUTE logo, I'm gonna put the link right here on the top, or I'm gonna put the link right on the description down below. So this is how it looks, and I put a brooch in here, which is quite nice. So this is from last year. It is so pretty from last year, and wow, this one is stunning. And then it has the zipper pull right here. It has those snowflakes, very pretty. And then I added this charm as well to make it a little bit nicer. So this is how it looks from last year. It is stunning. I still can't get over how pretty this is. That's because of the color. It is like so soft. So this is a different kind of material from this year. So this is for the 2024. And then for this year, yeah, I'm not really sure because they have already I think in 2023 they have the blue version of this. And the only thing that I like about this pouch is this pull tab right here. I love this pull tab. Really, really nice. The beauty sets are set to be released on October 15th. So that's why the packaging that I have right here, it didn't have the holiday packaging. They do package some of the merchandise, but I think he told me that they run out of it, and I was told to come back sometime in October for the holiday packaging and the bag charms as well. So this is what I've got last time for the bag charm. I'm not really sure for this year for the bag charms, and I also use the other one as well. So I will be picking up the rest of the charms for the holiday. And like I said, this is set to be released on October 15th. I'm not really sure if some of the stores like Macy's or Nordstrom's, if I'm not really sure the in-store release, but I believe that they have already started taking pre-orders. Anyway, in our boutique, there were only 5 sets that were available last week. So first, they have this one. It's called Coveted Essentials. This one consists of lip balm, and then La Creme, which is very, very popular. I guess we guys all know what this is, the hand cream, and I believe everybody has it. And then it also came in with the nail polish. And I don't know for this year, I don't know why they did not really change the nail polish, because I have several of, this is the nail polish that came with it. This is the number 167 Ballerina, and unfortunately this is not my favorite shade. This is definitely not my favorite, and they could have come up with something a little bit brighter every single year, but then again, I don't know why they stick with this classic Ballerina. They could have changed it for something different for this year, for a change. So I wish they could have done that. Yeah, so I have this one. Never used it because it's, I don't know, for some reason I'm not really a fan of it. I also have this one, the gel coat right here. So the Coveted Essentials, that was $155 US. And then next we have Eyes to Impress. This one is $127 US. So it came in with primer, mascara, and the Luvolum mascara, and then the eyeliner pencil, which is in espresso. So it is $127. Next, we also have the Gloss Up Lip Gloss. So this one is also popular as well. I mean, I think this is the most popular among of all the sets. This one has already been sold out. All the 5 items that they have in the store were sold out. And I'm so glad that my associate actually put all those merchandise that I've ordered. He actually put them aside. And the lip glosses, there were 3 of them. It's $138 US. Next, we have the Hydra Beauty Maximum Moisture Skin Set. This one is $187 US right here. So this one is not available in the store yet. So the ones that are available in store for an early release are these 5 right here. And the ones that I've got is the Amplified Gaze that came in with the mascara. Let me show you the mascara. So this one is the Noir Allure right here, and then this is the mascara. So right here, so this is the mascara. All right, I love the packaging. The packaging for this is actually pretty amazing. I love it. So this is the mascara for the Amplified Gaze. And then the next one is, we have this eyeshadow palette right here. it says Liquette Ombre. And then this one, it's a multi-effect quadro eyeshadow, number 308, Clair Obscure, right here. So let me just open this. And so it came in with this pouch, the felt, which is quite nice. And then right here, nice packaging. And let me show you the shade right here. So these are those 4 shades in here. And then I also tried this at the boutique. And then I'm gonna show you the I did swatch it, and then I'm gonna show you right here on the screen. And then it came in with the applicator as well, which is actually quite nice. And I love this packaging. And then we have the felt right here. So these 2. So this is for the amplified gaze for $126. So overall, the cosmetic pouch, it is the same. The only difference is they put this camellia flower right here. That is the only difference for this here. But there's nothing special, or nothing special about the style of the pouch. I mean, this pouch, we have already seen this before. Ever since from the very beginning, it is the same pouch. So among all the sets that they have, this is my personal favorite, and I think this is the best value for your money. The amplified gaze, it is $126 US. You have the eye palette, the eyeshadow palette, and you also have the mascara as well, and also the lip routine as well. It's not too bad, but I wish the coveted essentials that has a lip balm and then the hand cream, I wish it could have just changed it to mascara, or it could have been the eyeliner. I think that was that one is actually pretty good. But overall, I think the amplified gaze is definitely my favorite. For $126, I think this is the better value for your money. So anyway, so you might be wondering those stuff. I actually purchased 6 of those beauty sets. That's because I will be gifting them for the holidays. So every single year I would buy a few of them. I will be gifting them to my friends and my family as well. And pretty much like every single year, they look forward for that beauty makeup. So anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.